In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can draw on Instagram messages. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to make sure your Instagram app is updated. If it's not, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store, check to see if an update's available. And then from here, open up Instagram and go to your DMs and choose whatever chat you want to draw in. For example, I'll find this chat real quick, open it up, and of course, once you go ahead and open up the chat itself, look down in like the bottom right, kind of where like the message icon is. You could tap the little plus icon right here, and you're going to see a draw option now appear. Go ahead and select draw, and then from here you can change the color, do really whatever you would like, and essentially just go ahead and draw the way that you want to draw. Whatever it is that you want to draw, just like so, go ahead and draw it. I just drew a quick little smiley face right here. That's going to be the full process. Whenever you're ready to send it, simply go ahead and hit send. And you can also undo, so you want to get it a little bit more perfect. I think I just did the exact same drawing right there, which is crazy. But yeah, you can tune it up, fix it, do whatever you need to do. You could do multiple colors as well. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.